Hey guys, quick little update. We've got all of the painting done, the trim went up. Dad came and sanded all that, so he got it ready to paint basically. Painted the ceiling and the walls with primer, and then have gone through this morning, done the ceiling coat, had to go buy the paint. And we ended up buying a new wall color, something a little bit lighter, was going to be a little bit darker. This one's heavy metal, it's called heavy metal, so couldn't pass up that opportunity. Yeah, so good color, nice and dark, but not too dark. Should look good with the dark bench top and the cabinetry. TV on the wall, probably chuck some extra lighting in here and there. But the paint is still wet, so looks a little bit patchy and shiny in some areas, but that'll dry up and become good. Still have to do the frame of the door. I'll paint that in a gloss white, match the door. Then I'll put the architraves on as well, pre-paint those, nail them off and call it a day. Skirtings will come soon. I do want to do the flooring first, so I'll do the floorings before I do the architraves, and I'll paint the jamb before I do the flooring. And that way when I cut it out, I don't need to touch it up or anything. And then I can put my sink in. Bought the tap for that today. It's got one of those little flexible heads that you just pull out and do whatever you want. So that's pretty cool. It was hidden at the shop. It's behind a little cupboard. You had to open the cupboard to see that one. It wasn't on display, so that was pretty cool. It's nice and cheap too, about 70 bucks. After the flooring's done, all that's done, I'll actually get this electrical organized as well. Try and get that and have, because I got lights that run off the same circuits outside, so good power and lights that run off the same circuits outside, so that'll be good to get that sorted. I've got my camera that turned up the other day. I've got the access points so I can terminate those, and then I can also fish this out. Like I said before, I'll probably put another power point in there, so when he comes to do this, I'll get him to sort that out. I might cut the hole for it though. I probably won't get onto the flooring for a little bit, so I've got a short week this week, then I'm heading away for a few days at the end of the week, so I'll be back into it when we get back. I got a week off, so this will be floored, sink will be in, plumbing will be done, or for the most part, that done in the room. Hopefully have all the electrical finalised by then. I've got to cut that other network point up there. I've got to fit off all the network stuff here, install the camera, the Wi-Fi. That can all turn on. Hopefully have all the power on. Figure out what I'm going to do for the TV as well. I've got a TV in the house I'm going to probably use, just a little 50-inch Sony, but I have to get a bracket because I don't have a bracket for that. But yeah, coming along, almost there. Almost ready to start bringing in the cupboards and get all that sort of roughly put into place. And almost ready to bring in the stainless bench. I've still got the plastic on that, so that'll look pretty good. Peel that off and still be in pretty good nick, hopefully. Yeah, anyway, got any questions, comments, like, subscribe, cheers.